Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona fire truck a service.
Oh, it's been a long day. Excuse me.
Now, what's next, Mechanicals? I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help. Lots of vehicles in need. Spinning screwdrivers, Mechanicals. Our friends all have flat tyres. Oh dear, sounds like the vehicles are tired of waiting. Oh, nuts and bolts! I've never had to fit so many tyres this fast. Speaking of fast tyres, that sounds like Grandma!
There's my little Gecko, with a very big job to do.
How did you know?
The dear little blue one let me know. It's okay to ask for help sometimes.
Thank you both.
Happy to help, just as you've always helped me and everyone else. Now then, kids, let's get organised.
Go, go, Grandma! Right, Mechanicals, I have an idea.
You've been practising, Gecko.
I learned from the best.
Come again soon, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. I'd never tire of working with you.
And you never tire of your jokes either. Now, who's hungry?
You deserve a rest, Grandma.
But I brought your favourite, Grandma's apple pie.
Oh, Oh, what's wrong, Green? Whoa! Cat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, Mechanicals. Green? Hola, Gecko! Oh, hi, Cat. Haha, time to fit some extra special kit. Go, go, Mechanicals!
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Cat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run. Wait, we can't test it without Green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too, but sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Cat. Go, Helena Helicopter.
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Cat. That was amazing.
It was all green.
Oh, well done, Green. You're right, Green. There's a fire. It looks like Fiona fire truck is on her way. Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. Come on, Mechanicals! Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it! We need a nice loud Nino sound. All done! Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a Nino. That was a Nino, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud Nino. Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's garage. Looking spooky, Mechanicals. You're all ready for Halloween. Even Tilly is joining in. What's the matter, Green? There's a monster outside. I'd better take a look. Don't worry, Mechanicals. There's no such thing as monsters. Hello? Hello? Are you okay, friend? Come into the light. Oh dear, Max. You need a Halloween clean. Let's get you in the car wash. Don't worry, mechanicals. Remember, there are no monsters. When you're ready, Max. There you go, Max. Not so scary anymore. Happy Halloween, everyone!